Why should a new franchisor partner with a platform like Empire Franchising instead of trying to scale alone? And what changes when you bring in a partner like us who has skin in the game that's actually done it? I'm Justin Kaiser, co-founder and CEO of Empire Franchising, and I've spent the last 24 years building, scaling, and investing in businesses, including taking my own franchise brand from scratch to over 100 franchises in 3 years before an exit. The blunt truth is that franchising is deceptively hard, and most founders underestimate the legal work, the operational discipline, the marketing engine, and the repeatable systems that are required to scale cleanly, which is why so many promising concepts fizzle out, dilute, or sell under pressure. We bring the operational playbook and the muscle that your brand needs in exchange for equity, and that trade is straightforward. You get a franchise-ready foundation and a managed sales and marketing engine. Our team consists of digital marketing experts that have been in the business for 20 years. We've turned less than $50,000 in ad spend into over $1 million in franchise fees between multiple brands. Run the ROI on that. We bring a repeatable integration path so that your concept scales faster and with fewer failures, and we align our upside to yours so that incentives are identical. Our franchise-ready package that we call Ascension Path 1 delivers the legal and compliance backbone necessary for franchise defensibility. A franchise disclosure document and franchise agreement and exhibits are attorney-reviewed by one of the most experienced and reputable franchise attorneys in the industry. You also get a detailed Item 19 financial representation strategy and state registration readiness, so you don't have to learn compliance the hard way during a filing or a claim. We pair that with the complete operations infrastructure, a robust operations manual, SOPs for every core business function, and a training and onboarding framework so the franchisees open consistent, predictable locations rather than experiments that burn through capital. We also bring model architecture, rigorous unit economics and franchisor profitability modeling, territory design and mapping, and an expansion pacing and multi-unit development strategy so the growth is paced around cash flow and capacity rather than ego or arbitrary timelines. Finally, Path 1 includes our go-to market assets, such as a compliance-aligned franchise sales process, a professional franchise opportunity deck, a web page, and a launch-ready discovery script and sales materials so that your message sells and your funnel converts from day one. In our marketing engine and growth package that we call Ascension Path 2, we operationalize growth. We stand up a full franchise sales and marketing department that function as your distributed growth team. A high-converting franchise sales funnel, a purpose-built landing page, email and SMS nurture sequences, a CRM pipeline and calendar system, and a franchise lead management engine so the prospects don't slip through the cracks. That marketing ecosystem includes paid digital franchise campaigns, retargeting and multi-touch follow-up, outbound franchise email campaigns, and funnel optimization and tracking so that every dollar is measured and improved. We also produce video prospecting assets, long-form franchise opportunity presentations, and short intro videos for nurturing. We also handle the franchise sales execution end-to-end from lead qualification and assessment to close, and franchise agreement support, including liaison with consultants and referral partners. Put simply, Ascension Path 2 removes the hard work of sourcing, qualifying, and converting qualified franchisees so your executive team can focus on product, culture, and operations. The benefits of partnering are practical and measurable. First, speed to scale. A platform accelerates distribution because we bring inbound lead flow and consultant relationships that convert faster than standalone early franchisors. Faster conversion gets you to density sooner, which improves unit economics through more effective marketing, better purchasing leverage, and available field leadership. Second, reduced early failure. Standardized SOPs and a tested onboarding framework shorten the time to profitability for new franchisees and reduce churn. This is going to help protect your brand reputation and your FDD performance metrics. Third, technology and data. An integrated POS, CRM, loyalty, and reporting stack delivered across the system gives your brand enterprise capabilities immediately and creates cross-brand data that improves forecasting, marketing, targeting, and procurement efficiency. That data set becomes a durable advantage over competitors that treat tech as an afterthought. Fourth, governance and compliance. Scaling brings regulatory complexity and legal risk. We provide governance playbooks, centralized audits, and compliance processes that prevent slow failures from becoming problems. Fifth, aligned incentives. A well-structured partnership preserves founder autonomy and sets clear governance boundaries. If you worry about dilution, remember the math. Giving up a minority stake for faster, cleaner scale often yields far greater absolute founder value than retaining 100% of a small, undercapitalized business. If your objective is to build a scaled, sellable, high-margin franchise system rather than selling a handful of territories, partnering with a platform like us gives you the systems, marketing, and processes to scale cleanly while preserving your brand and your upside. Go to empirefranchising.com to request our playbook and our unit-level case studies. If you want to build real enterprise value, don't scale alone. Partner with people who've done it before, put skin in the game, and measure everything. Subscribe to our channel and follow our case studies, KPIs, and playbooks as we scale brands into institutional enterprises.